today's vlog, I am in Rome. We're gonna do the Colosseum, the Vatican, the Trevi fountain. I have my family with me, with mom, brother and dad. Hope you enjoy our experience. And before I show you anything else, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram so you can get more of my journey. All right, let's go. Okay, we made it to the Colosseum. You can see it in the background here. We're about to go inside. You're gonna see better views. Today, I brought my Selfie-Stick, so I'm very happy about that. So I can capture all these. You feel me? We are at the Colosseum. It's so nice.
That stick is killing me. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are at the Colosseum. This is a historic, iconic figure in the world. We're in Rome, Italy. And we'll continue our tour down on the lower level.
There's so much history here at Tunisia. We're like in the heart of it, in the middle of the Colosseum. So many activities took place, historic activities.
You know, when I'm here, I really am thinking about like Roman Christians were persecuted. Like persecuted. That's like the saddest thing ever.
So this is not a place for martyred Christians. People, that was a rumor spread throughout. And they gave you the right places where Christians were martyred. This is not a part of martyr.
Mommy for the win, huh? So what does it say? No certain information exists concerning the martyrdom of Christians in the Colosseum, something which also happened in other public buildings such as the circus. Oh, Mommy, you for the win.
See, right here in the middle says the idea of the Colosseum as a place of martyrdom spread in the popular imagination in the course of the 17th century during the Jubilee.
Like character voice on?
Saffron.
Oh, shoot. I made it. I'm in Rome.
Okay.
You should have got your life.
your daughter stuffing now?
That's my daughter's name. That's my daughter's name.
Chanel. Boy, you about ugly boy.
Put the camera on your face.
Oh wow. Are you by a rope? Is this a rope? Boy, you about ugly boy. Boy, is that a rope? Boy, is that a rope? Boy, is that a rope? Boy, is that a rope, boy? Anyway, so this is our meal for, where are we? Italy? Milan. This is our first meal of the day. Our first meal of the day, let's repeat.
Something I could wear,
Or like a Italy hoodie.
or scarf, something that's not.
Come on, we have like 12.
With the family at the Vatican. You can see it up there at the top.
You mad again? Because we at the Vatican.
Okay.
Give me that
The Vatican.
stick.
Okay, hello.
Hey guys, this is the Vatican. I'm here with my sister Mish, you know what I'm saying? Very cool day today, but it's simmered down a little bit. We got the cross over there on top of the fake Washington Monument. And we're doing it. Gang, gang.
Dang, dang, dang.
You know what I'm saying? Follow me on Instagram, Supreme Stuff. You know what I'm saying? Don't try to end the video.
Hello, I don't have space like that.
It's embarrassing. But yeah, we've been on this tour for a while now. It's been like day 5. And it's great, man. It's just so surreal, man. Not a lot of people get this opportunity, man.
All right. Okay.
Sure. We're just living.
So, margherita and cost €4, ham and mozzarella, that one.
Right.
Then sausage and vegetables, calzone with inside ricotta cheese, ham and mozzarella, caprese, racchetta, that's margherita and calzone together. Inside there is ricotta cheese and mozzarella, these 3 small pizzas, and the panuzzo. I love